Today, video has become the most intuitive and powerful way to get people connected, entertained, and informed. The age of videoalization is here. Videoalization is changing the way people create and consume content, fostering an expanding video-based industry in China. And we are capturing this massive market opportunity.
Welcome to Bilibili.
Bilibili is an iconic brand and a leading video community for young generations in China. We have over 200 million growing active users, and more than 86% of them are aged under 35. We call these young people Generation Z Plus in China. They're the core of our user base and the driving force of video-based industry. They're young, aspirational, and passionate about their interests. Bilibili provides them with a welcoming home for all the videos you like. Centered around our users, our business model attracts users with content, retains users with community, and achieves commercialization through fulfilling users' needs, creating a strong virtuous cycle. We have built an ever-growing content ecosystem with high-quality UGVs at our core, complemented by live broadcasting, OGVs, and more.
小鲜肉、
乐听
保健嫂、
绵羊料理、
枪弹笔记、何同学、
阿妈做卢正义、
阿呆、柴西、
潇洒、
东牛 K、Zeta。
At Bilibili, PUGVs are the cornerstone of our content ecosystem, accounting for 91% of total video views. Our PUGVs cover a wide array of content categories including lifestyle, games, entertainment, anime, and tech, and knowledge, and more. We've also built a robust mechanism supporting continuous content creation. High-quality content attracts users who provide positive feedback, motivating more content creators to showcase their talent.
这样这期表情管理对你们有帮助，记得一键三连哦。
At Bilibili, people inspire and accompany each other, share their joy and fulfillment in everyday life. They bond over common interests and passion, while unleashing their creativity to the world. We are committed to our community-first philosophy and built a highly engaged, interactive, and sticky community. We pioneered Bullet Chat, our signature interactive commenting feature that has transformed the viewing experience in China's video industry. We have also designed a unique official membership exam system, fostering a strong sense of belonging and ownership among our users. To satisfy our users' growing needs, our user-centric commercialization comes naturally with multiple avenues, including mobile games, VAS, advertising, e-commerce, and others. Our rapidly expanding user base continue to fuel our strong revenue growth. The Bilibili team came from users, living the mission of enriching the everyday life of young generations in China.
正义也要得到践行。哎，这个欢迎吃鱼肉。
接下来我给你做一顿翅膀，体验一下飞翔的感觉。
We strive to grow with our users, share their joy and passion, and create endless possibilities. At Bilibili, express yourself and embrace the world.